Good morning everyone. So I hope all are eagerly waiting for our next class. So we already finished our first chapter in IT. Today we are going to start our second chapter. So last chapter, the name of last chapter was Know Your Computer. You all know that, Know Your Computer. In that chapter, we have studied about machines and also about what is a computer. So we know that computer is a smart machine. Why? Because computer can do so many works. So many works computer can do. That's why we call computer as a smart machine. Also you know what is a machine. Machine means it helps us to do the works very fast. Machines helps us to do our work very fast. So computer is a smart machine. So today we are going to start our second chapter. The chapter name is Parts of a Computer. So what is the name of second chapter? Parts of a Computer. In this chapter we are going to study about the parts of computer. That means so many parts are there. These parts join to call as computer. So in the case of our body, we have so many body parts. So joining all these parts, we will call it as a body. Just like that, so many devices are there. By connecting all these devices, we call it as computer. So in this chapter, we are going to study about some of the main parts of computer. So you know that some of the parts are familiar for you. I can say monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer, speaker. So many devices are there. I know some are familiar to you. So today I am going to start with the first part of a computer, that is monitor. I am starting with monitor. Spelling of monitor is M-O-N-I-T-O-R. It is called as monitor. So monitor means I will show the monitor. So this is monitor. You can see the device monitor here. All of you look here. So this is the monitor of our computer. You can see here a screen is here. Through this screen you can see this or you can watch the things. So this is monitor. So I will explain what is a monitor. Monitor means it looks like a TV. Monitor looks like a TV. Now you have seen the device monitor. So you know it is just look like a television. That means TV. So what is the help of monitor? We can watch films. We can watch cartoons. We can play games. All these things are seen on the monitor. So whatever things we are doing in the computer, it is displayed or it is seen in this monitor. So once again, monitor looks like a TV. How it looks like? A TV. And also, what is the help of monitor? We can watch what all things going on in the computer. It can be watched in this monitor. So monitor is one of the main parts of computer. So once again, we have discussed the first part of computer. The name is monitor. Spelling is M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. And also it looks like a TV. And once again, what is the use of monitor? We can see what all things happened or what all things going on a computer. It can be seen on this monitor. So in your textbook page number 10, you can see the picture of monitor. Also you can read about monitor. Okay children, now I am going to say about this next part of a computer, that is keyboard. So what is the spelling of keyboard? K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Once again, the spelling of keyboard is K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. This is the spelling of keyboard. Now I will show the part keyboard. So this is keyboard. You can see keyboard here. Okay. So this is a large device and you can see so many keys are here. You can hear the sound. So so many keys you can see. It is having alphabets. Also you can see numbers 0 to 9. Alphabets A to Z. And also so many other keys are there, just like addition, subtraction, multiplication. So many keys are here. So once again, this is the next part of a computer. The name is keyboard. And also you can see so many keys. Yes, you can press like this. This way you can press. So if you want to write your name or if you want to type your name in your computer, you can press. Which all letters needed, you can press. So this is the keyboard. So keyboard is having so many keys. It contains alphabets are there, numbers are there, and also some other keys are there. These keys help us to work properly in the computer. So what all things you can type, you can use this keyboard and you can type. So the second part is keyboard. Now I am going to say about the third part, that is mouse. What is the name of the next part of a computer? That is mouse. Spelling is M-O-U-S-E. Once again, M-O-U-S-E. That is mouse. So I will show you the device mouse. Yes, this is the mouse. You can see here just like a mouse. This is just like a tail. No, you can make it. This is as the tail of the mouse. Okay, so this is the device mouse. You can see here two buttons are there, two clicks. And also in the center you can see a wheel. The wheel is known as scroll wheel. So these two buttons and this scroll wheel help us to work in the computer. Once again, this is the next part of our computer. The name is mouse. And mouse you can click. In the case of keyboard we are pressing, but in the case of mouse you are clicking. The one click is here, next click is here, and also in the middle you can see a wheel, that is known as scroll wheel. So this is the next part of a computer, that is mouse. So once again children, now we have discussed about the main three parts of a computer. What is the first one? Monitor. Spelling is M-O-N-I-T-O-R. That is monitor. What is the help of monitor? That means monitor looks like a television. And also monitor helps us for what? How? That means what all things going on computer, it is displayed or we can see it from the monitor. So the next one is keyboard. The spelling of keyboard is K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. So the device monitor also I have shown you. Monitor means it having so many keys, alphabets are there, numbers are there. So it helps us to work properly in the computer. Now we have discussed the third part, that is mouse. What is the spelling of mouse? M-O-U-S-E. That is mouse. Mouse is the next part of computer. This mouse also helps us to work in the computer. It is having two buttons and a scroll wheel in the middle. And also mouse, what is the use of mouse? We can click, or that means it is used for selection. And also mouse want to be kept on a mouse pad. I will show you an example. Like this way we want to keep our mouse, okay, on a mouse pad, otherwise it will become, okay, just like this way you want to keep your mouse to make it dust free. So this way we are keeping our mouse. So children, now we have studied about the first three parts of a computer. The first one is keyboard, second one is monitor, and the third one is mouse. Now in page number 10 and 11, it's clearly given with pictures. So now we can read the textbook, and you can read with me and we will know more things in the textbook. All of you keep your fingers, we can read. Monitor. A monitor looks like a television. It shows whatever you do on the computer. The letters or numbers you type, the pictures you draw, and the games you play on the computer are all displayed on the monitor. You can also watch your favorite movie or cartoon on it. Once again, monitor. A monitor looks like a television. It shows whatever you do on the computer. The letters or numbers you type, the pictures you draw, and the games you play on the computer are all displayed on the monitor. You can also watch your favorite movie or cartoon on it. Keyboard. A keyboard has many small buttons on it. These buttons are called keys. You can press these keys to type letters and numbers. Keyboard. A keyboard has many small buttons on it. These buttons are called keys. You can press these keys to type letters and numbers. Mouse. The mouse of a computer has two buttons and a scroll wheel on it. It helps us to draw pictures and point at objects on the monitor. You can also play games on the computer using the mouse. A computer mouse is so called as it resembles a real mouse. Also, the wire attached to it looks like the tail of a mouse. While using the mouse, it is kept on a pad called mouse pad. The mouse pad makes the movement of the mouse easier. It also keeps the mouse dust free. Mouse. The mouse of a computer has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel on it. It helps us to draw pictures and point at objects on the monitor. You can also play games on the computer using the mouse. A computer mouse is so called as it resembles a real mouse. Also, the wire attached to it looks like the tail of a mouse. While using the mouse, it is kept on a pad called mouse pad. The mouse pad makes the movement of the mouse easier. It also keeps the mouse dust free. While using the mouse, it is kept on a pad called mouse pad. The mouse pad makes the movement of the mouse easier. It also keeps the mouse dust free. So children, we have discussed about the 3 parts of a computer. So once again we can recall it. The first one is keyboard. The first one is monitor. So monitor looks like a TV. Monitor looks like a TV. So we can see or we can watch movies, cartoons, everything on the monitor screen. So whatever things you want to see, it's displayed on the monitor. So monitor is used for watching the things whatever we have done in the computer. So once again, monitor is a part of a computer. Also it looks like a television or TV. So the second parts we have discussed is keyboard. You know that keyboard is having so many keys, alphabets, numbers, so many other. So we can type alphabets, numbers, everything is helpful for us. So using this keyboard we can type the things whatever we need. And the third part is mouse. Mouse has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel in the middle. And also it just look like a mouse, that means it has a tail. That means once again I will show, this wire will show like the tail, that means just like a mouse. This helps us to select things in the computer. So these are the 3 parts of a computer we have discussed: monitor, keyboard and mouse. So now what you want to do is just read these 3 topics 3 times. It's very compulsory. You want to read the textbook about monitor, keyboard and mouse. How many times? 3 times. Now you want to write something in your notebook that I will show in the board. So first of all you want to write the date and write lesson 2, parts of a computer. Then what you want to do is write the spelling of monitor, spelling of keyboard and spelling of mouse 10 times. So spelling of monitor, keyboard and mouse you want to write 10 times without spelling mistake. I will read the spellings. Monitor, M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. Once again, M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. The next one is keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. A third one is mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. So these are the 3 words you want to write in your notebook without spelling mistake. Also read your textbook 3 times. So then in your textbook page number 13, you can see exercise 1. So what the thing you want to do is, you can see the picture of a computer. Parts are here. Also in this side you can see the color which you need to give to each parts of a computer. If you can identify the monitor, so many circles are there. So near to the circle, if it is monitor, you can give rose color. If it is mouse, green color. Keyboard, yellow color. CPU, brown color. So this exercise is homework for you. So write these 3 words in your notebook 10 times. Also complete exercise 1 in your textbook. And also read your textbook 3 times. So these are the works you want to do. So we will meet in the next class. Until then, bye to everyone.